Good evening, Mr. Farhan. In here we will explain about the project. Before we will explain, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Kevin.
And my name is Abram. We are from Gopsik.
What is the cloud computing? The cloud computing is a term that we after here. However, only a few understand what the definition, function, and way of working of cloud computing in everyday life. In companies and large organizations, the influence of cloud computing is to make it easier to interact from one computer to another without consuming much expense.
Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, is a collection of cloud computing service offered by Google. GCP runs on the same infrastructure used by Google for its internal products such as Google Search, YouTube, and Gmail. Along with a set of management tools, GCP provides a range of modular cloud services, including computing, data storage, data analysis, and machine learning. Registration requires credit card or bank account details.
What is Google App Engine? It's a Google App Engine as platform as a service. This means that you only use your code and the platform does everything for you. For example, if your application becomes very successful, App Engine will automatically create more instances to handle increasing volume. API is a stands for Application Programming Interface and allows developers to integrate to parts of an application or with different applications simultaneously. The API consists of various elements such as function, protocol, and other tools that allow developers to create applications. That the purpose of using the API is to speed up the development process by providing functions speedily so that developers do not need to create similar features. The application of the API will be very well if the desired features are very complex. Of course, it takes time to create something similar to it. For example, integrate with payment gateway, there are various types of API systems that can be used, including operating system, libraries, and the web.
Analysis. HomeSub is a responsive website application created using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, and also Google App Engine. This application is an application that is used to make it easier for someone to find a translation file in the form of text or text that is in a film in a foreign language with the aim that film lovers can understand what what is being told by the characters in film.
Implementation. First, we implement using .html based files to describe website design. Second, inserted link Bootstrap to use several features from Bootstrap such as navbar, card, cursor, row, and column. Third, create image folder. This folder used to store all of the images that using at the website. Fourth, also create CSS folder. In the CSS folder, it has many CSS files. This file used to manage website design is used to adjust the display and adjust media screen so the website can adapt to various devices that access it. And five, also create JS folder and several JS file to manage the function of validate and alert in a website. And six, launch his HTML file halaman utama.html this to display the design. In halaman utama.html, we implement a navigation bar to direct drop down to define genre and Next, we implement carousel design as a display home sub feature. And we implement to download button in the cart. The button used to user who want to download subtitle. And we implement validation for request subtitle page. And next, we implement cart feature to display movie description and download button. And we implement text box and input text in the request subtitle section. And next, we implement after that create admin login from an admin page to manage the data of our application. And then create JS and CSS files specified to admin login from an admin page. The CSS and JS file used to create the design, manage alert, and create a data table. And we then connected the HTML file to Firebase using Google Cloud Platform and Google App Engine. And after that, we create the CRUD to add, update, or delete particular movie and a data table on admin page. And we in the CRUD in the website using API such as Cloud Storage API for upload image to database. And this website also using Firebase Authentication API for authentication in user login.
So we run on App Engine. So this is our sign in page. First is directed to sign in page to login, whether you want to log in as a user or you want to log in as an admin. Okay. So first we log in to as a user using the Google authentication.
Huh?
Okay, we already signed in, and then this is our home page. You can go to various genre. For example, we want to open Western film. Wait a second for using data from the Firebase. Okay. Or we want another genre, for example, animation, and then many more. There is also request and request a movie what we want. First we enter our name, then movie that what we want, and then we can type our message for optional. Okay, then if we press request in the Firebase database, nah, this is our data that we just input in the request page form. Go to the admin page. We type the admin username. So now we sign in as a admin. Wait a second. Okay. So it successfully replaces the data from the Firebase database. Here we can create a new film description. For example, Then last we choose the image or a poster. Then we click upload to upload all the description of the film, and then it successfully upload all the film, all the description film. Here's an image also. So for example, we want to change this data. And we simply click save change to updating or editing the particular data, particular movie data. And it successfully updated the data. Then, for example, we want to delete this movie into this update. And then the data successfully delayed. Then there is a request user page. The admin request user page to store the data in the table like this. So yeah, that's all.
For attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.